Greetings, my name is Dr. TM. I used to be an asylum applicant. After several years, my asylum application was approved. I am a United States citizen now. I am thrilled to welcome you to Asylum in America, a channel where your most pressing questions about the asylum process are answered. I spent 12 years battling my asylum case to be approved, then getting a green card based on asylum, and finally, getting citizenship based on approved asylum. I intimately understand the uncertainties and challenges you may be facing as your case is being processed. The very questions you have now are the ones that I used to have as my case was being processed. In each video, I draw from my extensive first-hand experience to provide insights and guidance, sharing the knowledge I wish I had when I embarked on this transformative journey. Having received invaluable assistance along the way from other people and lawyers, I am passionate about paying it forward by offering the support and information you need to navigate the asylum process successfully. Your questions are important. Whether it's clarifying legal intricacies or offering practical advice, I am here to offer useful and practical steps to help you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. Send me an email or drop your questions in the comments below.
People with approved asylum applications, or those with green cards obtained based on asylum application approval, have often asked me about the Refugee Travel Document for RTD. What is a Refugee Travel Document? How long does it take to get the Refugee Travel Document after you apply? Where can I travel with my RTD? These are all valid questions, and let's break them down. Number 1. What is a Refugee Travel Document? A Refugee Travel Document, Form I-571, is a travel document issued by the United States government to refugees, asylees, and lawful permanent residents who obtained their status based on refugee or asylum status. It serves as a substitute for a national passport and allows individuals to travel internationally and return to the United States. The primary purpose of the Refugee Travel Document is to facilitate the return of refugees, asylees, and lawful permanent residents to the United States after temporary international travel. The Refugee Travel Document allows individuals to travel to countries other than their home country. However, travelers should be aware of any specific entry requirements or restrictions of the destination country. Travelers should avoid traveling to their home country or the country of claimed persecution, as it may have implications for their refugee or asylum status. To obtain a Refugee Travel Document, individuals must file Form I-131, Application for Travel Document, with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. The application process involves submitting supporting documentation and, in some cases, attending a biometric appointment. Number 2. How long does it take to get the Refugee Travel Document after you apply? The processing time for a Refugee Travel Document, Form I-131, can vary, and it's influenced by factors such as the current caseload, USCIS workload, and other external factors. USCIS typically provides estimated processing times on its website, and it's advisable to check the USCIS processing time tool for the most up-to-date information. Currently, processing times could range from a few months to several months. However, these times are subject to change, so it's essential to refer to the USCIS website or contact USCIS directly for the latest information on processing times for refugee travel documents. Number 3. Where can I travel with my Refugee Travel Document? A Refugee Travel Document issued by the United States allows you to travel internationally, but there are some considerations and limitations. As I said before, the primary purpose of the Refugee Travel Document is to allow refugees, asylees, and lawful permanent residents to travel abroad and return to the United States. It serves as a re-entry document. While you can use the Refugee Travel Document to travel to many countries, it's essential to be aware of any specific travel restrictions or visa requirements imposed by the destination country. Some countries may have entry requirements or visa restrictions for Refugee Travel Document travelers. One crucial consideration is that you should avoid traveling to your home country or the country of claimed persecution. Before planning any international refugee travel documents, check the advisories and entry requirements for the specific countries you plan to visit. The U.S. Department of State's website provides valuable information on travel-related matters. Additionally, it's a good idea to check with the airlines you plan to use for any specific requirements they may have for travelers using a refugee travel document.
Thank you for watching this week's episode. I genuinely hope the insights shared have enhanced your understanding, aiding you on your asylum journey in America. Are there burning questions on your mind? Perhaps you've personally traversed the asylum process and carry pearls of wisdom to share. I encourage you to contribute. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, family. I wish you the best on your journey. See you next time.